Do you want a chair that you can sit 2 people in? It's all farmhouse style? We did. So we built our own. For how much? How much, babe?
$50 in wood.
$50 in wood.
Okay.
All right, we gotta go. She can't breathe.
And don't make it awkward. Nobody wants to make the chair that they look stupid in like you do right now.
If you don't deposit $1 billion in my PayPal account by midnight, oh, the dog leaks on my carpet.
As we continue our family room series, we made ourselves an accent chair.
All the chairs that we've seen were like $800. They were crazy, and some of them were even fake. But we did this, the wood frame for $50, and then however much the cushions cost.
Amazon, I'll put a link below, $130.
$130 cushions. The cushions cost more than the actual chair. So we did it all for $180. It's a lot better than $600 to $800, and it's built a lot more sturdy too.
I have been wanting this accent chair for the family room. I looked online, I looked in the stores, and everything was at least $800. We decided that we could try and make it. Thanks to Shanty to Chic, on their website, they have plans for a farmhouse club chair. So today, we're gonna make the farmhouse club chair.
All of our lumber's cut, but we'll include the cut list right here. Ooh, babe, watch out. It's right here. And we even trimmed all the round edges off our boards so it'll look nice and classic.
Okay, step 1, we'll assemble the arms. We have 2 side pieces cut at 31 inches and a top piece cut at 29.5. We will use pocket holes, I don't know if you can see that, to attach the sides to the top.
Second verse, same as the first.
All right, 2 arms. Next, we're gonna add the 2x6 braces.
We also trimmed the sides off of our braces. We added pocket holes to attach it to the sides. You know, it says come up 5 inches from the bottom and mark it, but we found that it would be a lot better if you mock it up. So put your slats in. This is step 6, but we're just gonna dry fit it just so we'll know where that 2x6 goes.
And we need to set this 2x6 3/4 of an inch inset into the arms. So we'll use a 3/4 inch board to lay down the spacing.
These are the 1x4s cut at 26.5 inches. Again, we're just using them to mock it up right now. So we'll know exactly where to put our 2x6.
Side apron.
Side apron in, step 2 done. We'll do the other side now. Step 3, time to attach the side apron cleat. This is what the bottom slats that your butt will be sitting on is sitting on.
So with this one, it has a little bit of an angle because it is at an angle. You'll sit your bottom in the seat this way. This is a 26.5 inch in length, 3/4 of an inch from the top, 7/16 of an inch from the bottom. We set the board in, marked it and measured it, cut it.
We're gonna go ahead and attach it with some screws. If it's not perfect, that's okay. Nobody will notice that they're sitting just a little bit cattywampus. Step 4, you'll attach the side cleats. These are what will attach the slats later on. They're supposed to be 20 inches, but best bet, measure them and then cut. It's a better, tighter fit. It'll look nicer.
And you'll glue and attach with pocket holes and pocket screws.
They're supposed to lay flush with the 2x6, 3/4 of an inch inset.
Step 5, install the side slats. They'll get hidden by these little trim pieces here. So they'll go in like this, and you'll attach them with 1/4-inch brad nails. Come on, fit in here right. Fit in here right. Ooh, so snug. Looking good.
Ugh.
Getting heavy.
Side 1 is heavy.
All right, step 6. Oh my goodness, so heavy. We have to install the front and back aprons, 2x6s, one in the front, one in the back.
All right, step 7. We attach the back top brace. It's 25 inches. It's got pocket holes on both sides.
Step 8, install the seat slats. We're just gonna add some glue, tack them down. Now these don't have a tight fit like the sides do, so you'll install one slat in the front, one slat in the back, space them evenly in between. And these 1x4s, we used rough cut lumber because they're gonna be on the seat and they're really not going to be seen. We're gonna put cushions in the front and the back. Okay, step 9, install the back slats. This is gonna be a little tricky because we're assembling this on the table, so Garrett's gonna pop in and tack it for me. I've got the all-important job of minimizing the glue usage. Okay. Step 10, add the decorative side pieces. The angles are really tricky here. So we're just gonna hold it up. I'll mark it for you.
We found the middle of the board, which is about 14 3/4. And we're just gonna hold it up to where it goes. Draw it on the other side. Now we're gonna go cut it to these angles. All right, we got them all cut. Angles in, and now let's see how they fit. Oh, like a glove, like a glove. All right, now we'll glue them and tack them. All right, we're gonna spin it and do the other side. We already dry fitted this side. All right, we're gonna send it off for powder coat and paint. Oh wait, wrong show. We're gonna send it off for sanding and staining, and we'll meet you guys inside. Oh, you gotta be straight up.
Yeah, that's why you win, because he's got to move here.
Oh, those cushions are a tight fit.
They're supposed to be.
Oh, it looks pretty good.
Wow.
I feel like I should be in command of a spaceship. Damn it, Jim, I'm a doctor, not a doctor. Captain's log, star date 2018-0501. We're on a mission. You better just listen. Check off! God damn it.
Stop.